don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan. Today, I'm doing a what I eat in the day, spend the day with me. Right now, I'm actually getting ready to go to see my oncologist for the first time in several months. It's just a checkup. They are not doing a mammogram, so I'm not quite sure what to expect, but I thought I would take this opportunity to update you on my health journey as well. As you know, I was diagnosed with breast cancer last October. I had surgery and radiation, and they caught it early, so hopefully everything is good. And I'll let you know after I talk to my doctor. While I'm on my way to my doctor's appointment, I'm going to have my second fueling of the day, the chocolate mint cookie crisp bar. So I will check back with you guys after my appointment. So I'm back from my doctor's appointment. Everything looked good. I will have my first mammogram in August, and I'm a little nervous about that, but the doctor said everything looked good, and I'm glad that's over. Anyway, I'm gonna get in to my house and make my third fueling. I'm gonna have the sour cream smashed potatoes with a Laughing Cow cheese wedge. Video, I told you that I was going on vacation in May, which I am. I'm going to St. Augustine Beach in Florida, and I had bought some bathing suits that I had to send back, and I only kept one. I have since purchased 3 more, and they're very colorful, and I wanted to show you what I got. So I didn't just get bathing suits, I got a couple of dresses and a shirt, and I just wanted to show you what I am packing for vacation. The first bathing suit is a tankini, and to be perfectly honest, I thought about trying these on for you guys, but I'm just not feeling the greatest today. So, but I'll film when I'm on vacation so you guys can see it on. So it's a this hot pink, which after what I went through this fall, pink is now my signature color. But it's super comfortable, and you can adjust how long the torso is. And I'm only 5'3", so I'm actually pretty short. And then I got 2 of the same, this sky blue one piece, and again you can adjust how high it goes up on the leg. And then I got this matching wrap, which I thought looked really cute. And again, I'll take some pictures on vacation. I'll do a little video when I get back. And then this is the same bathing suit as the blue one, but it's this neon green. And I think once I get tan, that will look really nice. And it has a matching neon green wrap. So those are the 3 newer bathing suits that I ordered since my last video when I was talking about them. The one with the original 5 that I bought, the one that I kept was this set, and it's super cute. It's this leopard print, but it's like black on the top and it fades into leopard print. And it came with this long matching wrap. And honestly, I got great deals on everything. I'll link them below if you're at all interested. Those are my bathing suits I'm going to take on vacation. Now we'll go for the dresses. I haven't had a chance to try this dress on. It's a maxi dress, and like I said, I am 5'3". I'm not holding out too much hope that it's going to be short enough for me, but I'm going to try this on, and I love the color. As you guys can tell, I definitely love blue. And then I got this cover up, which can go over any of the bathing suits. I just thought that that was really pretty. And I picked up this dress, and believe it or not, this is actually really cute on. And I have a little orange sweater for if it gets chilly. So I'm excited to wear that on vacation. And then of course another blue dress, but this is really comfortable. I have tried this on. It's got like a drawstring at the waist, and it's really, really cute on. I got a new shirt. I probably more so a work shirt than really for vacation. I think with some pearls that'd be really pretty, but I just loved the sleeves. I also got this beach bag, and I just think this is the cutest thing. It has a smaller bag that you can keep inside that I use to put my makeup in. All right, I'm gonna put all this away, and then it'll be almost time for my 4th fueling. I think I'm gonna have the peanut butter crisp bar. That's one of my favorites. And then for dinner tonight, Mike's sister, Jerry, is in town. She lives in Tennessee. And we are going to meet her at Macaroni Grill. It's an Italian restaurant near here. So that's what I'm doing for dinner. I have already looked at the menu online, and they have a grilled chicken salad that looks pretty good. And that is probably what I will get. So I'm going to go get my 4th fueling and check back later. Well, I'm back from the Italian restaurant, and I had my grilled chicken salad, and I did not eat any of the bread, even though it was super tempting. And so I'm ready for my last fueling of the day, which I'm going to have the Decadent Chocolate Brownie mix. All right, so I'm going to have my brownie with Greek yogurt chips, and I'm going to tune out for the night. It's been kind of a long day. Haven't felt the greatest today. So if you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And check that notification box so you're alerted every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.